welcome back to another vlog. And I cannot remember when was the last time I actually started the vlog. I'm sure Tanya has been doing that, but it's been a very long time. And today is Saturday, and as always, Nitish and Ashley are here. And the surprise was that if you guys remember him, he is here too. So they had a good run. The house is on fire kind of situation because these two, yeah, they had a lot of energy. We planned to grill and have like a burger day, but it started a little drizzling outside, so we are waiting for it to stop. We have a meteorologist here and she's telling us that it will stop in like 6 minutes, so we are waiting for those 6 minutes. In the meantime, while we are waiting for those 6 minutes, and before you see what we are eating and how we are making, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and check out the membership perks which are exclusive for you. So go click that join button and check them out, and I'll see you once we start cooking. Alright, everybody is getting super hungry with just the smell. And we are at the deck, so you guys probably know what we are cooking. We are grilling burgers. So we are grilling burgers. Each one has our patty picked. There's tomatoes, onions, and cheddar cheese to go on top. Mustard, ketchup, everything. The whole array of everything is there. So we are having a long weekend celebration. Martin Luther King Day celebration.
Grilling day.
Yes.
No, I don't remember.
MLK
grilling day.
Yep, so we are having fun, and I'll show you the patties. I don't want to disturb it right now because the temperature is really good in there. So I'll show you once they're done.
Oh, look at the burgers on fire. Ooh, look at the burger with cheese top. It looks so delicious.
We just painted it yellow.
Alright, let's go inside. The buns are here. Plates are over here.
Pakka bun nahi khadi ho?
Huh, I made my knife is over there. Alright, I am eating bunless. I'm going bunless today. I have my lettuce bun here. And Woo! Look at this. Woo! Chop it here. There you go, everybody.
Don't worry.
A little bit of meat. This is how my burger looks like. I'm gonna wrap it and in my mouth it goes. My plate from here.
You got everything? Wash.
Yes. Wash, obviously.
It's a little late for that now.
So your one is not dirty, don't worry. You can take it out from the bottom, then it's a little muddy.
Alright guys, this is how everybody has made their bun. This is my veggie patty one with lettuce, butter lettuce, and all of the other stuff.
My plate looks something like this. It's super delicious. We're gonna go out, enjoy our meal, because I think this is going to be our first meal of the day. So
yes,
we are all very hungry.
Alright guys, so we enjoyed the meal like anything, and I'm gonna show you something really funny. So right now we all are just going out here. Something funny.
The smallest in the world.
I'm gonna show you the smallest Uno deck. If you cannot figure out how small this is, let me show you. Put it in the next to my thumb. And it is smaller than my thumb, so you guys can see. And we are gonna play this Uno once we come back, so stay tuned. And again, check out the membership perks. We are gonna come back and play this Uno, and you guys are gonna see what happens. Look what this girl got finally.
Don't judge me, okay, by all this stuff.
Nobody's
Don't judge
there.
me.
She got 4.
I got the betel leaf, I got a little bit of sweet supari, and the Calcutta pan.
Kolkata pan.
Meetha pan. Now I'm gonna eat it. How you make it? I'm no expert here, but still.
This is the masala.
Ooh.
So everything is mixed in that, so we don't have to buy it separately. And she's just gonna put that in there.
Ashley's like, what the hell is she eating?
I know.
This is the girl who's lost. What the hell these people eat?
So you put like this with a sweet supari.
Peace. Now that'll get me high.
Okay. No, it won't.
No, cut it into half and then take a.
You want? I'll give you later.
No, there you
And then you take this.
I've been craving for pan for a long time. Normally we get it because of COVID. They are not making it and giving it, so they have the ingredients separate out. So now she's finally happy because we got it. We got it all. Marvel. He's trying to steal it.
Hey.
He's trying to steal it. It's a dusting cloth.
Yeah, it's a dusting cloth. Alright.
Okay guys, like I said, we are gonna play world's smallest Uno cards. So she's making the deck over here and it is so tiny that it couldn't even balance on a carpet. So we have this little coaster. So now you guys can see how small it is. And like I told you, like if I put it next to the thumb, my thumb is bigger than that card. So I don't know how we are gonna even look at it. Let me show you this. Look at that. So small, tiny cards. This is gonna be fun. Once we are done playing, we are gonna tell you if you have to look for these cards, how to get them. We're gonna start playing
Baby Uno is what Elliot calls it. Astro.
and that is Astro in the background, just giving us some backscore music so we don't have to put any YouTube music. This is how the cards look. I don't know how we are gonna tell if somebody has Uno left or not. Alright, let's play. Alright guys, after playing the world's smallest Uno, it's officially movie and dinner time.
Yeah.
So let me show you what we all got. Tanya got these tacos from a Mexican restaurant, and I've got this bowl with all the deliciousness: cilantro rice, beans, peppers, fajita, habanero salsa extra hot, and guac and strips and everything. And they've got their bowl and stuff, and we got some queso, and we got some salsa and chips over there. बोलो और आगे जाना होगा आया नहीं है अभी भी नहीं आया more अब
yeah, much better.
well, so everybody is very well and adjusted, and we are having movie and dinner time. So we are watching a movie on Hulu. What is it called? Duff?
Duff.
Yeah, we are watching the Duff. Not sure how many of you have tried this cake, but for the very first time, it got Nitish's eye actually in Trader Joe's. So we got the chocolate babka cake. Let me show it to you. So it's chocolate Brooklyn babka cake. It looks like this, and it looks delicious. Ooh, look at that.
Like it?
I'm done.
Alright, let's try this. Right.
It's very good. Super good. I think Tanya is here. He's gonna try now. It's very good.
Yeah, I could hear.
You want me to cut a slice for you? Have you tried Blocker before?
Alright guys, Yashu and Ashley just left. We have an amazing day. A good start to the weekend. We enjoyed playing Uno, and if you guys are looking for details, I think it's like a mystery something that you have to find. You don't know until open it what kind of game you are gonna find in it, and Ashley found Uno in it. So that's how she found that Uno game. If you're looking for more details, just hit us up in the comment section below and I can find it for you. For now, we are just gonna go hit the bed, watch some TV, and go to bed and get ready for an amazing Sunday tomorrow. And we will see you in our next vlog. Until then,